Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today, June the 16th, 2021, you probably clicked on this video to see if CLOV Health Investments, if this is the next best meme stock to come through and buy today. You guys can see we did our price prediction lastly on June the 10th, June the 11th in the market for CLOV Health, and we played a weakness. So we're not surprised to see the market in CLOV Health go down, right? We was already expecting it. So while many people are nervous, while many people who follow Reddit and the Wall Street bets are nervous about the market and CLOV going lower, we already expected that. So again, join us, join our community, because we're going to get you all in position so that you can win in the space. Hit the like button, share, and subscribe here to the channel. If you want to participate, learn how to call the markets right alongside with us. We're here for that. We're not going to give you any of this hype, any of this FUD, any of this meme stop jargon just to try to persuade you to come in and buy. If the market is weak, we'll have to tell you that. If the market is strong, we'll tell you that as well. We play all sides of the market. We're not going to be biased in one direction. While everyone on YouTube is telling you that the market is always a buy, come in and buy the dip. You'll always see these market 10x potential, 20x potential. Never sell any of these stocks. Like, come on. We need to play both sides, all sides of the market in order to be real profitable traders and investors. So you want to join us, you're here. Come on board. So this article right here was from the Motley Fool though. So I'm going to go through this article real quick. I just want to get your opinion about what do you think about CLOV Health, if this is the next meme stock that you should come in and buy. All right. You guys can see from our last price prediction that we weren't expecting the market to be a buy. We played in weakness. So now, this was on June the 14th, so 2 days ago, that the Motley Fool came through and posted this article. They do have readership. They do have people who are subscribed to their periodicals and their articles and in magazines. They come through, get their investment advice from them. So what do you think? Is CLOV Health a buy? So immediately, the individual who wrote this article, which is Jonathan Smith, he asked the question, should he buy the shares in CLOV Health? Automatically, this is when it goes into the recent price movement in CLOV Health. What this meant for CLOV Health, he's talking about how the market was shorted and how the short interest was overwhelming, that a short squeeze was placed into the market, which automatically meant that price would go higher. Okay. So what this meant for CLOV Health shares was a move from around $9 at the start of June. Here we are 16 days in, to where now the price is around $15, right? Market went as high as $22 last week. Interestingly, last Tuesday, over $14 billion worth of stock was traded, an amount larger than the market capitalization of the company. $14 billion worth of stock was traded in this one company. 14 billion. Now, he said he wouldn't personally buy CLOV Health right now though. He see the rush to buy from the meme stock community as a negative. It'll distort the fair price of the shares, making it hard for me to tell what the true value is. That's the thing I really wanted to talk about on this article, is that the true value is already determined by what you and I are willing to buy and sell for. That is always the true value. You cannot look at a company's books to say, okay, each share should be worth such and such amount of money, because that is null and void when you and I come into the market and say, well, I'm only willing to purchase this CLOV Health stock at $10. So that throws your valuation out the books. If no one is willing to buy the share at a certain price, the market has to go lower. It doesn't matter about fundamental analysis. That's what I want everyone in our community to realize and understand. That's why he's talking about in his article, it's hard for him to tell what the true value is. The only way you get true value is by looking at the chart. It's by looking at the price, period. Where the last trade was is the true value. It's just that simple. It's not about what the meme stock community is trying to do for CLOV Health. If they are willing to buy CLOV Health, that will cause demand, therefore price will increase. It's just that simple. volatility is also increasing, which is something he'll rather stay away from. Don't get me wrong. I do think the price could go higher. Well, hold on. See, these articles, we all need to read into what these articles are talking about and what they're trying to insinuate. In one breath, I just told you that Jonathan said that he wouldn't buy Clover Health shares right now, right? But in the next paragraph, he think the price will go higher. So if you think the price is going to go higher, then why not tell people that you will buy it? I don't understand. In the short term, but this will be fueled by speculation, and it's not something I want to be involved in. Speculation. If you're trying to understand what a fair price is or true value, you yourself are also speculating. The market is all about speculation. It is. There's no concrete, definitive way for you to say this is what the price of Clover Health should be, period. Right? He as well is speculating. Everything in the market is fueled by speculation. So I don't think he understands what he is writing in this article. But that's here and there. I will have a link to this article in the description of this video just for you all to continue to read. The question that we're going to do today, though, is to see whether or not we need to keep our prediction on going into the market in Clover Health. Because right now, I mean, if you were to take out some profits now, we'll still have about 9% profitability into the market there. So, I mean, take a look. What do you all think? The market here in Clover Health is weak. No doubt about it. Should we continue to keep our prediction? Should we come through, take some profit off the table, and leave the rest on to come through to round 12? What you think? Drop the comment in the comment section. Tell me what would you all do in terms of this prediction, right? Should you take the whole amount off the market and take the profit and go? Should you take some off a little bit here, leave some on so you can grab the full bag at around 15.5%? What would you do? This is how you're able to win in this space. You need to have a plan, right? And when I look at these different time frames, what we would do is we'll come through, take some profit off the table, and leave the rest on to get this rest of 15.5%, right? I don't see anything here that needs to be adjusted or changed. I still see the weakness here into the market in Clover Health Systems. It is what it is. Once the market is weak, we play the weakness. When the market is strong, we play the strength. So that is it. We're not going to come through and change our prediction in the market in Clover Health. Course is still the same. We're still expecting the price to go lower, right down here towards $12, right? And that's it. Now, I want to know what you all think about the article. What do you think about what Jonathan has written in this article regarding if Clover Health is the next meme stock worth buying shares in? Because he thinks the price is going to go higher while we're looking for the market to go lower in the near term. What do you all think? Let us know. Call the market right alongside with us as well. Leave us a comment in the comment section and let everyone know in our community, what would you do? Would you buy? Would you wait? Would you sell? What would you do? Call the market. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.